Hello everyone, and I'm gonna show you a great application which I have built, and the name I have given it is easy to configure. And the benefit of using it, that in a single screen you will be able to activate or deactivate triggers, validation rules, as well as flows. Okay, so this is triggers. It's showing me all the list. It shows me the status also. This one is active, this one is deactivated. Similar for validation rules, and same for flows. Okay, let's quickly check out. If I click on it, it's gonna redirect me to that particular trigger. See, it's active. That's why it's showing active over here. Now let's deactivate it quickly. Are you sure you want to deactivate this? Okay. And stated updated successfully. If I go back to that trigger, it should be inactive. How cool is this and how easy it is? Similarly, if I want to activate this one, account trigger, let's see, right now it is inactive and I want to activate it. It says, are you sure you want to update the status? Yes. And it's going to activate it. Refresh, active. Okay, now let's see the validation rules. If I click on it, here's the validation rule. It is active right now. That's why it's showing up me active status. If I want to deactivate it, it shows me the name also for confirmation. Okay. It should deactivate it. The status change over here, and if I go back to validation rule, it's inactive. Correct. Also, the best part is I can quickly search, means filter out the results. Even if I want to say show me all the inactive validation rules, I will select this option. It's going to show me all the inactive, and if I select this option, it's going to show me all the active validation rules. And same goes for triggers also. See how easily I can filter out things. If I remove it, it's going to show me all the validation triggers. Now, finally, let's see the flow. This one took a long time to implement, and it is a great one. We have multiple features in it. Right now, as you can see, this one, it says it's active and the active version number is 1. Second one is also active. The active version number is 14. Let's click on this one to confirm if the 14th version is active. Here it is. As you can see, 14th version is activated. Now let's deactivate it from here. When I try to deactivate it, the message is, are you sure you want to deactivate the flow? This flow? Then please type 0 in it. Okay. Now let's annoy this application. If I type 1, what's gonna happen? Oh, now it's angry. It says, I told you to type 0, but you still type something else. Don't test me, okay? Instead, type 0 to deactivate the flow. Okay, really sorry. I'm gonna type 0 this time. Let's see if it deactivates it or not. Okay, it's deactivated. And if I go back to the flow, all of them are deactivated, right? Now let's try to activate it again. No active version. Activate. Here it's gonna show me which versions I have available to activate. Here are all the versions. As you can see, the third version, I deliberately deleted that. The third version is not available. I deleted it. So it is not showing me that. It only shows me the version numbers which are available in my org. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Now let's try to annoy this one also. Let's type down 3, which is not available. Okay. Now it's annoyed. It says you have provided a version number 3 which is not available in this flow. Okay. So now finally let's provide a valid version number 14. This one. Or let's try something else. Let's say 7th. Okay. So now it should activate this flow only. This version. Okay. And ta-da, it's activated. And here if I refresh the page, it should activate the 7th one, and here it is, it's activated. So this is the application. I'm planning on to push it on the Apex Exchange. Took so much effort in this, and I hope you guys like the demo. Thank you so much.